Good morning. This is Ryan Pichtello, plant manager at Bellevue Manufacturing. The Bellevue Manufacturing Company is located at 300 Ashford Avenue. We manufacture oil filter and fuel and water separator shells. We have been in business for over 100 years. We are a privately owned company. We have 113 employees in total between management and our shop floor. Our manufacturing facility contains 18 hydraulic stamping presses and 3 mechanical presses that run 24 hours per day, 5 to 6 days per week. We have a knowledgeable maintenance department that specializes in hydraulics, pneumatics, and electrical. We also have our own highly skilled tool and die department in the building that makes all the tooling for the parts we produce. We have made over 600 different shells over the years. Our niche is heavy wall shells and being able to adapt to complex shells that require a threading operation, hole punchers, ribs, and other features. Some of the customers we supply are Cummins Filtration, Donaldson, Caterpillar, Parker, and Man & Hummel. We also have a facility located in San Luis Potosi, Mexico. We employ press operators, tool and die, and maintenance. If you would like to apply, you need to stop by the front office and fill out an application. Please bring a resume with references as well. We typically employ summer help on an as-needed basis, and you must be 18 years old to apply.